Hi, we're Diane and Ray Crompart, and we live at Stonecroft. We've been here actually 15 years. We were, quite happy with the way we custom designed this property, except for my kitchen. Every time I went in there, I was always in a bad mood. I had virtually no counter space. Everything looked nice, but it really was not functional. Finally, I said, okay, we're going to do something. I did a search and Triforce's name came up.
It was a one-stop shop. They did everything from the design, the construction, through to the finishing. And Triforce staff were very accommodating.
Very.
We worked well with them. They worked well with us, and we had no issues.
Christine, the designer, was amazing because she saw my vision and she right away clicked in on it, and she came up with the design that I went, okay, I don't have to think about it. Yeah. And the result, whoa. Whoa.
Very pleased with the work they did.
Extremely.
And my wife has not complained one iota about the kitchen since it was completed.
I smile when I go in there all the time now. I have tons of counter space. I have an island that my God, I'm Polish. I can make my pierogi. I can make all my cabbage rolls. As soon as you walk in the house, you see this, and everyone's eyes turn towards it.
And they all comment about how much bigger and brighter it looks with the way it has been done. So.
Yes. Coming from Mississauga, we had renovated our home in Mississauga, but when you're dealing with city companies, you really have the sense that they don't care. They're just in it for the money. When we tell people back in Mississauga or Toronto, and they say, well, how many more months did it take, or how many more weeks did it take? And we said, on time. The other thing is we had a real estate agent come in because we weren't sure if we were going to stay here. And now we're going to end up staying.
For a few more years anyways.
For a few more years, yeah.